There are a number of factors that were critical in our decision to move across to BricsCAD, and they were the flexibility of their licensing model, the customer service and partnership approach. Having that sort of a relationship with our software partners is incredibly important to us. When we did our cost analysis before making the switch to BricsCAD, our estimated savings were in the order of about 15%. So that's allowed us to reinvest those funds into other aspects of the business, in technologies, training and staff, which all again adds to better productivity and customer service.
The functionalities that we use from BricsCAD are precision drafting, the coordinate geometry or cargo points or civil points called in BricsCAD, and integrating external survey data like point clouds from 3D scanners and total stations. We use tin surfaces to create contours and any heat maps for flatness level surveys. The biggest benefit is the fact that we can use total station data, point cloud data, drone data, all into one software. Everything is in just one spot and anyone can open it and understand the data.
As far as the transition process goes from the older CAD system into BricsCAD, it was a lot more smoother than I had first anticipated. Within about a day, we were up and running. The user interface was very, very customizable. We were able to import our older user interfaces into the new BricsCAD software, which is probably one of the main contributing factors as to why we got up and running so quickly. Working with point cloud technologies has also been seamless thanks to BricsCAD. We've been able to not worry too much about the system lags and crashes. I've seen drafting times reduced by, it can be anywhere between 10 to 20% depending on the type of project using BricsCAD.
Here at Bricsys, it's really important that we do have a customer journey in place. We're focused really strong on making sure the customer gets the right value out of the product, that we've met their needs, and more importantly, that we've supported them through their change management strategy. So in regards to the team here at Realserve, we believe the product has been able to resolve a lot of the current pain points that they were facing, but more importantly, it's been able to enhance productivity to their team and obviously save time and increase the amount of revenue that they're getting as an organisation.
We're able to either send an email or put a phone call through and have someone attend to our support needs straight away. And that makes a big difference because if we've got an issue, it generally means somebody's not able to work on a project and that's costing us money. It's
a more efficient and streamlined system to operate. Anyone that needs to touch a CAD-based system in their day-to-day should consider BricsCAD.